Alright, hey guys, I'll be showing you how to make a pretty basic fire alarm system with the microbit. So here I am in the microbit code editor using blocks. The title is called Basic Fire Alarm because I just want this to be pretty simple and straightforward. So we got an if statement. It says if else, but we're gonna press the plus button to make another else if. Hit the minus button on the bottom. That's because we just don't need that for now. It might be a little confusing. Now for this one, we're just use pin 1 and pin 2. Now there are more pins that you can use to activate the microbit to do something, not just these 3, but we're just going to do it this way just to keep it nice and simple, and we're going to have 2 zones just to keep things nice and simple. So we're going to go to pins, digital right pin. Now I should say to get 2 pins you might have to hit this advanced button to see more of the menu. Anyways, now that we're back here, we're going to digital right pin. We're going to do 12 and 13 because these are 2 pins that connect to the relay board on my microbit. So we're going to put 1 because 1 means on. Duplicate that, put it down here, so that way it doesn't matter which zone gets triggered, it'll still activate the system the same. So now go up to input, on button I press. So now we'll talk about how to silence the system. So just silence the horn to keep the strobe light going. So for me, I have the horn on the first relay, which is pin 12. Should keep that 0 for off. Now we go back up to input. Instead of button A, we're going to choose button B. We're going to duplicate this because we want to keep that down there. And now we want to duplicate it again, and instead of pin 12, pin 13. And that pressing B will reset the system. It'll turn everything off. So this is the basic code. I mean, things can get way more advanced than this, but if you just want a really basic system, this will do the trick. So now I'll show you how it's all wired up and how everything works. So here I am filming with my iPad, and I'll show you how it's all wired here. So here we have our microbit V2 connected to the relay board. Now we have these 2 jumpers from pin 1 and 2. Let's go out to the breadboard here. So they come here and they come here, which you can expand more device in the zones, which is why I have them go to the breadboard. Then they come out to these wires. So these are your 2 pins, and this is your ground. So if one of these makes contact with ground, it'll put the system into alarm, which I will show here. Alright, so here's ground. I'm going to touch it right here. Now I'll press the button and it's silenced. Press A, and not sure what's going, so I'm going to press B. Now it's reset. And that's basically how you can make your own fire alarm system with the microbit.